Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in ALDI, and I guess we're gonna start off right over here because this is the newer stuff. So they have these, what are they, duffel bags, ALDI Gear shopping bags for $7. So it's this one. It's a multicolor. Let's see, can we pull this down and make it easier? It's a multicolor. I only see the multicolor in the blue. Oh no, I see a peach handle. Hold on, y'all. Trying to get it out so we can see it up close and personal. So it's this one. These are $7. And the blue one. It's only one left of these. I'm surprised they're preferring these over those. But these are $7. All right, and these right here are $150. The keychain quarter holders. This is so cute. You have this on your keychain. People know, like, yep, she shops at ALDI. It's the heart, it's the flower, the ALDI sign. This one, the watermelon, and the pizza. These are $7. I mean, the pullover Lily and Dan tops are $7. And then the wide leg pants are $13, but they're all bundled up. So we can't see the true wide leg of it. But it's this color. It goes from small to extra large. It's that grayish color. I'm trying to pull this down so we can see the rest of the colors. The grayish and the blue. And these, I guess they're probably the same colors, yep. All right. 15 for the vest. It's in the same colors. That color and the blue. $13. Some more of the tops. Where did these socks go? So some more pullovers. $7 for the shirts. And these are $13 for the shoes. So it's these, this color, and blue. And these are joggers. So the joggers are in the gray and the blue. And these are medium to double XL. These are $8. The stocking bins, $10. The bamboo kitchen organizers. So it's the table, the seasoning organizers, or the little Lazy Susan with the circle. Somebody took it all out together. You can put it together. Expanding shelf, $10. Trash bag, grocery bags, organizer bin. These are $7. Baskets, white and black. What's this? Oh, the tops for these baskets, which are $7. The basket with bamboo lids. These are $10. It's in that black, silver, and white. The cereal containers are $8. These are $10. It's the large canister with the bamboo lids. Canister set with the bamboo lids. So it's either one of them or two of them. And it's in that black color and the bamboo. The oil and vinegar. Oh, these are clearance down to $150. Look at this one with the blue handle. Oh no, it's not blue. It's the gold. Okay, so it's those bottles, and it's a clear one. Here's a clear one. Wine bottle and glass caddy, $13. These are $13. The tote bags, wine dispensing totes. So it's the purple, the black, the oranges, and this one. Oh, that's cute. So they have the paint by number. It's the wine, the city skyline, the flowers, or the mountain skyline. Those are $5. 12-inch sewing machine for $40. These are $6. These are cute. It's this one, this green one. It's a blue. This pearlish, like clear one, and this one right here. Alright, and we skipped over these candles. There's honey pistachio, musk caramel, milk. There is nutmeg. There's white sands. That's nutmeg, cedarwood, and vanilla. And sweet mango. It's mango, maple syrup, and almond. You know what? Let me smell this one. It smells good. All right. These are $5. The seltzer organizer or the can organizers, and they have the labels. Large, small, tall can, and short cans. These are $10. For how many bowls? It's $10. Oh, a pack of 4. Okay. It's $10 for a pack of 4 bowls. It's that green color, that gray color, that orangey color, and then there's these right here. The cake stands. These are $10. It's a cat scratch house. So it's a cactus, strawberry, and look like a flower. $20. Camping mega fort building kit, $40. A work zone shelf. Botanical reed diffusers. White musk, peony, and cherry. Freesia and jasmine. These are $7. These are $5 for the slippers. Some of them have backs, some of them don't. Garden line, $7.50. The different plants. These are 59 cents. I see squash, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, spinach, garden bean, beef, broccoli, carrot. There's some of the limited edition summer Hawaiian aloha, Bora Bora waters, Mediterranean lavender. Those $3.24. The Mr. Cleans are $4.94. Lemon zest and gain LED rechargeable work lights. Those are $13. Heavy duty rapid storage. Those are $5. These were here last year. The work zone. Those are $10. Retractable cable reel for $30. The Ultra dishwasher cleaner, $5. These are $6. The Radiance disinfectant wipes, $10.39, and then the washing machine cleaners are $5. All right, that's it for the decoration and stuff. Let's see what they have over here. matcha and white chip granola or raspberry lemonade for $3.69. We saw the kettle chips last week. Some of the oatmeal. What's this? The Sweet Baby Rays for $3.29. It's mild buffalo and buffalo wing. Why do I feel like all of the freezer foods are still the same? So there's the macarons. These are different. These are new. Macarons for $5. Peanut butter cookie sandwiches. M&Ms. Those are $5.36. The blueberries are $4.19. All of the mixed fruit medleys. Tuscan inspired chicken flatbread pizza. A Mediterranean style flatbread pizza. Those are $5. Mini vegetable Samoas, $4.50. Buffalo style mini chicken rolls for $5. There's the mac and cheese bites. Buffalo chicken and bacon, those are $4.50. Chicken cheeky masala, those are $6.50. These look good for $8.50. Breakfast best sausage or bacon, egg, cheese, and potato breakfast burritos. Spaghetti and something. What does that say? Spaghetti and puttanesca. Spaghetti and ciaco e de pepe. Okay, I know I messed that up, but anyway, if you know, you know. Those are $3.69. These are $13. Pot holder on the stand. I had to double back over here by this door. I was running my mouth when I walked in. So it's a 12-piece garage organizer system for $40. The trash can with the touch lid, the price is covering it up. These are $13. These are $15. The rolling hampers. And $13 for the big bins. They have the flowers over here on a little end cap by themselves. These are $5. But that is going to be it for us in ALDI today. Thank y'all for clicking on the video, browsing around with me, Shanice, and ALDI. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see y'all in the next one.